Classic normal plus binomial mix-up that traps a lot of students. We are told the volume is following a normal distribution with mean, mu, and standard deviation 8. And that out of 900 cartons, 225 are above 1002 milliliters. So we can write it as probability of volumes greater than 1002 milliliters is equal to 225 over 900, that is equal to 1/4. This means that probability of, when we standardize it, z is greater than 1002 minus 1002 minus mu over standard deviation is equal to 1/4. Now, by normal distribution bell curve, this represents, so if this is volume and this is 1002, this area is 1/4. When we standardize it, we get z on the horizontal axis, the mean becomes 0, and this area has to be 1/4. The 75th percentile z value, when you read, so first of all, we can flip it by writing it down as 1 minus probability of z less than 1002 minus mu over 8 is equal to 1/4. So when we flip it out, we find out that the 75th percentile z value is 0.674. So this point is indeed 0.674, and you can check it from your MF19 z table. So this becomes probability of z less than 1002 minus mu over 8 is equal to 0.75, or phi inverse of 0.75 is equal to 0.674 is equal to 1002 minus mu over 8. Therefore, mean comes out to be 8 times phi inverse of, reading the table, inverse 0.75 and subtracting it from 1002 gives us 996.6 is equal to mean. So this is the answer to the first part. Now we move to part 2. We have already found that the probability a carton is, so we have not found out, this is already given in the question, that the probability a carton is above 1002 milliliters is 1/4. So if we take 3 cartons in a sample, each one is a trial with probability. So let's take another variable for this one. Now this follows a binomial distribution with 3 trials, and the probability of success, which is greater than 1002, is 1/4. So the question asks us to find the probability that exactly 2 of the cartons are above 1002 milliliters. So this means that 3C2, 1 over 4, which is probability of success, power 2, and probability of failure, which is 1 minus 1 over 4, which is 3 over 4, to the power 3 minus 2. So this becomes 3 times 116 times 3 over 4 is the answer, which is nothing but 9 over 64. So the probability is this, or approximately 0.141. Now notice the flow, that part 1 gave us the probability using the normal distribution, and part 2 used that probability in a binomial setup. If you need more of such solutions, please follow us.